Alright, you all. Today we have the VNAND SSD 970 Evo Plus M.2 NVMe. This is going to be the 1 terabyte version, and it is by Samsung. Alright, let's get it opened up. Alright, you all, we're back at the system, and I have our NVMe drive right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert it in this slot right here. And I'm going to line up the slit that's in the NVMe right here. This little slit you see. Along with the slit right here. We just line those up, stick it in. It's going to be at an angle. There's a good bit of room underneath, and we're just going to push it down. It's not going to stay until you screw it in. Least favorite part, getting the actual screw inside. Right, it is secure. Alright, you all, thanks for joining me in unboxing and setting up the new NVMe for my system. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you have a wonderful day.